In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your device location using your Google account. First, let's talk about what we're actually doing here. We're not tracking other people or invading anyone's privacy. What we're doing is learning how to use Google's built-in tools to find your own devices, like your phone or tablet, that are signed in with your Google account. This is especially helpful if you misplace your phone or you're worried it might be lost. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that's on the device you want to locate. You can check this in the top right corner of the screen. If you see your profile picture or your initial, click it to confirm you're in the correct account. If not, sign out and log back in with the right one. Now, in the Google search bar, type something like "Find my device" or "Track my phone with Google account" and press enter. Google usually shows a special box at the top of the results that's directly connected to its device finding service. If you see an option that says "Find my device" or "Google Find my device," click that. You'll be taken to a page that lists all the devices currently linked to your account, such as Android phones, tablets, or even some smartwatches. Give it a few seconds. Google will try to connect to the selected device and show its last known location on a map. Keep in mind, for this to work properly, the device needs to be turned on, connected to the internet, and have location services enabled. If it's offline, you'll see the last place and time it was active. On this page, you'll also see some useful options. You can make the device play a sound, which is perfect if it's lost somewhere in your house or office. You can lock the device with a custom message on the screen, so if someone finds it, they know how to return it. And, as a last resort, you can erase the device remotely if you think it's been stolen and your data is at risk. Use these tools carefully and always respect privacy laws and other people's boundaries. This method is designed for your own security and peace of mind, helping you stay connected to your devices whenever something goes wrong.